Welcome to Destination Jamaica. Today we're in the market. That's the market in Mandeville, and we're with the lovely. What's her name?
Miss P.
Miss P. Miss P. So always I get the pot then from you. Tell us about your pot.
My pot is right from Kingston.
From Kingston.
Very good.
Very good pot.
Less expensive. But they're good. And we have any problem with them, we fix it for us.
Okay.
So they're good. And the sale, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. But people buy pots.
And these are the pots.
Especially now when you come into Christmas.
Okay, and these are the pots that last a very long time, right?
And you don't burn gas because they're very thin. Then they're thinner now, so they don't burn gas as they are.
But it don't lose its effectiveness. You can still cook your good food and you don't have to worry about.
Food don't taste good. When we finish cooking, wash out, turn on the jar,
Yeah.
and keep the nice color same.
Okay, thanks. So I see you have some that sea mass over there, right?
Yes.
Tell us about the sea mass. What Jamaican use it for?
We have two types. This is the coarse one, and this is the string, like this.
That's the string
Yeah.
and that's
We
the
have
coarse.
Floral one.
Oh,
About
nice.
4 different types.
Sea mass look nice. This one,
Very nice.
yeah. What people normally use it for?
They build up the immune system.
The immune system.
Boil it, yeah.
Oh,
And you add you have the linseed, the gummerbit, and the isinglass. You put it in the soak like overnight to take out some of the excess sand.
okay.
Because diving, so you have sand.
Yeah.
When you wake in the morning, you take out that water, wash it again, and put it in the pot for boil. You boil it like 10 minutes, because you don't boil out. You let it cool, and you blend.
Okay. So
Blend with the water and everything.
blend with water.
The same water that you boil it in.
Yeah, boil. So you say make it stay overnight, so
So,
then you boil it.
yes, take out that water, throw
Yeah.
that water.
Throw that water.
Clean water. Like 10 minutes you cook it for. And you make it cool, and it turn jelly.
Turn jelly.
Yeah, then you blend. And you can add peanuts with it.
Yeah.
Add the peanut, you add your linseed, the gummerbit, isinglass, the vanilla nutmeg, dragon, Guinness, supple gel.
The strong back.
Everything.
Yeah.
Very good.
So we have everything that you have everything that people can get here for do them peanut mixture and everything.
And the things to use it, you can have it too.
Okay. Oh, that's a linseed?
Yes, and the isinglass.
Alright. Yeah.
Like the purple one.
Oh, that's the purple sea moss. They're really good.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Best. So the best one is the
Yes.
purple sea moss.
Some people say the other one is the best. So everybody have their own likeness.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, so we're there at Miss Peel's stall in Mandeville, Manchester. So you can see she have all the good up food that you need. Have papaya, have your pumpkin, cucumber, potato, tomato, banana, beetroot, beetroot. The,
Ginger.
she have ginger and bananas. Wow.
Chocolate for tea.
Chocolate. So you get me excited.
Especially Christmas now.
Yeah, Christmas
Use
time.
chocolate for tea.
You getting a sorrel?
The honey.
You want them?
Yeah.
Specially.
Okay. So you see everything that you need here, guys. Make sure you support our local vendors. Go market, go shop and buy up the thing them. Alright? Alright guys, so this is the turmeric. For all those who don't know, turmeric is really good. You know, you get your curry and so forth. And it's really good for tea. I saw an article that they're using it to help treat COVID at the hospital. So we're returning back to roots. And roots really good for you. But as them say, everything in moderation, right? So we have our sweet papayas, green, ripe, and so forth. And of course, Miss P, I have everything that you need. So you need to visit her in a Mandeville market. And abroad?
Yeah. I'm here from 1977.
Huh?
From 1977 here.
From 1977? Wow.
And I have two sons. The only time I stop on market. Public holiday when I go and have baby and I come back.
Mm-hmm.
I'm able to look after them and they grow big man now.
Yeah.
And grandchildren, two sons and three daughters and six grandchildren.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice to know, Miss P. Thanks for sharing. So support Miss P thing. You want to say? Go ahead.
Yeah, so you can support me. I'm here every day.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I come late and early.
Yeah.
But I'm here only on Sundays and not.
Yeah. Okay.
You come in and make it.
Okay, right in the Mandeville market at the front, guys. Right in the Mandeville market at the front. Miss P. Alright guys, so make sure you support the thing. She's been here since 1977. So it's a long time today in this and our food look good, so support the thing. Thank you so much, Miss P. Alright, you're welcome.